If you're driving a Toyota and have encountered the issue of the codigo de error, p1604 Toyota, appearing on your dashboard, you're not alone. This error code is commonly associated with a problem in the vehicle's engine control module, ECM, which is responsible for controlling various engine functions. Don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means and how to fix it. First off, let's break down what codigo de error p1604 Toyota refers to. This code generally points to a communication issue between the ECM and another control module in your vehicle. It often occurs when there's a malfunction in the communication circuit or an issue with the power supply to the ECM. In simpler terms, the car's computer system is having trouble talking to itself, which can lead to a range of performance issues, including poor fuel efficiency or engine misfires. So, how do you go about fixing the codigo de error p1604 Toyota? The first step is to check the vehicle's battery. A weak or failing battery can cause communication issues within the vehicle's electronics, which could trigger the error code. If you haven't had your battery checked recently, now might be the perfect time. Test the battery voltage and replace it if it's low or damaged. A new, healthy battery might clear the issue and prevent further problems. If the battery is in good condition, the next thing to inspect is the wiring. Look for any loose connections, frayed wires, or damaged plugs around the ECM and its related components. Sometimes, a poor connection can be the culprit behind the codigo de error p1604 Toyota issue. If you find any signs of damage, you'll want to repair or replace the wiring to restore proper communication. In some cases, the issue may lie within the ECM itself. If you've checked the battery and wiring and the problem persists, the ECM may need to be replaced. Before replacing it, it's advisable to take your vehicle to a professional mechanic who can properly diagnose and confirm if the ECM is indeed the source of the problem. Remember that fixing the codigo de error p1604 Toyota requires some technical expertise, especially when it comes to electrical systems and the ECM. If you're not comfortable performing these checks and repairs yourself, it's always best to consult a certified mechanic. By addressing the issue promptly, you can ensure your Toyota runs smoothly and prevent further damage.